In this video we're gonna perform a quick Wi-Fi speed test on iPhone 17e and let's get right into it. I also performed a similar test on my computer, which is using right now the same network, just to compare the results, of course. And in this case the download speed is approximately 263 megabits per second. This is the result, which is much lower than what I have on my computer. On my PC I managed to get 930 megabits per second, so you can see the difference in the download speed is quite significant. The upload speed is also much slower. It's pretty much half of what I have on my computer. Here I've got 44 megabits per second, and on my computer it's 86 megabits per second, so nearly half of that, of course, as I mentioned. And one thing that I have to mention is that my upload speed in general is actually quite slow, but still it is not definitely the full potential. It's definitely not using the Wi-Fi's upload to the full potential. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.